As the busy Christmas holiday period moves closer to its peak, Police Commissioner Dr. Kevin Blake, along with members of the High Command, toured sections of Area 4 and Area 5 police divisions on Thursday as part of intensified efforts to maintain law and order. As you'll hear in this report, hundreds of officers have also been deployed across the island.
The tour comes amid expectations of increased police and social activities across several parishes, a period which traditionally sees heavier public movement and heightened security concerns. Hundreds of officers have been deployed island-wide with a strong focus on visibility, rapid response, and strategic patrols to deter criminal activity and reassure the public.
It is critical that we monitor the various spaces that we are policing, that we are observing. St. Thomas is a division that is level on last year. And we are optimistic that we will end the year in the minus. So it's not one of the spaces that we are seeing the significant 40+ reduction as in other parts of the country, but a considerable amount of excellent investigative, operational intelligence and intervention work has been done.
According to senior communications strategist in the JCF, Dennis Brooks, crime hotspots will be under heightened surveillance as there is usually an uptick in robberies and break-ins during the festive season. Targeted operations, checkpoints, and intelligence-led policing will form a key part of the security strategy in these areas.
So the Commissioner has met with members of the CIB, members of CISOCA, members of the intelligence community, and just generally speaking, looking at the management of the division and how we will close out St. Thomas strong this year. We're optimistic, as I said, that we are going to end major crimes in the positive direction in St. Thomas. It currently level with last year on 19, and we are expecting that, we will continue to hold the parish.
In the meantime, members of the public are being urged to maintain vigilance.
We're encouraging persons during the Yuletide season, especially in this area, to be mindful of their surroundings. Situational awareness is so critical. We're encouraging persons, even as they go out and do their shopping, to be very careful, to be very observant, and work with the constabulary to help keep you safe.
As at December 13, the police are reporting a 42% reduction in major crimes. Murders have been trending downward as well as rape and robberies. The police have also seen an 81% increase in illegal firearms seizures. Carrie Ann Simpson, TVJ News.